All right, so Wick's checking out the shoes, and of course, we found some idiot work.
Yeah, kind of goes with this, with the whole thing there.
That's about normal.
Yeah, instead of putting a gasket in there, they just squirt a little RTV. Never bothered to replace the axle seal, which is obviously what's leaking. But the shoes look pretty good.
Yeah, it actually looks fairly decent.
Mm-hmm. Springs are a little crusty, but they'll do for now.
Yeah, we'll redo that when we rip everything apart. This thing will be bitching when we tear into it, but we're gonna get her running today.
Yeah, that's the goal.
Because we got things to do on Sunday.
Places to be,
Yeah.
people to meet.
Yeah. Yeah. What about some stay-at-home order? We don't do that here.
Well, yeah,
We don't.
that's all a crock of shit.
We don't apply to that here.
No,
The whole car club doesn't even apply to that.
nobody should be doing that. I mean, we live in America.
Oh God.
I thought this was the land of the free and the home of the brave. What happened to that shit?
Everybody's afraid of cooties. So Wick and I are cleaning out this piece of line. It's old line with pieces of rag with brake clean, and it's working. But we're launching them across the parking lot. It's kind of fun. What are you doing? You packing the spitball launcher?
Packing the spitball launcher, our little cleaning Go Devil ball here for this fuel line that we'll have to reuse temporarily. So you just pack her in there. I think I should put 2 in this time. What do you think?
That'd be fun. Look how much crap came off of the other one.
Yeah, that was a good one.
It's doing good. This is fun.
Looking out pretty good.
Does this count as hillbilly bullshit?
I would think it does. Don't you think so?
It's definitely shenanigans.
Right up there with it.
Yeah. What are you guys doing? Shenanigans?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, last time it made a cool sound.
It did. It made like a gun-like sound.
Little thump.
Do you want to video it?
I think we should video it.
Okay.
All right.
You ready?
Fires the missile. Did it go?
Yeah, one.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no, they both went. They're both out there.
They're both out there?
Yeah.
It wasn't as loud as yours.
That one got stuck. That was a big one. It's still cleaning, though.
All right, I'm gonna cut them a little bigger then.
All right, so we've got our temporary fuel line routed, all out of the way, nice and safe, all the way back to the tank. Got our choke zip tied open for the time being because we get to have fun getting that out more later. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crank this baby over with the remote starter till I get fuel in the carbs, and then we'll get ready to fire. All right, I've ripped the old shocks out. Gotta do our springs and traction bars too, but I am packed all the cool goodies Wick got from Eaton Detroit Spring. Got leaf springs. We got coils too for the front, but that's later. He also got these badass Viking Performance double adjustable shocks. It's gonna be nice. Got our Viking shocks mounted up at the top. When we install them, obviously we're gonna have to turn them so we can get to the adjusters. Probably like that. But, you know, they were pretty that one way. More or less for, artsy fartsy. New wheels and tires in the front. I like it. These are replica hypos, yeah? Kelsey Hayes?
Yeah.
Looking good.
And so see, there's a real one. And see, he's got it pretty damn spot on.
Yeah. That real one's probably about $5 bajillion too.
Yeah, they're like a full set of them is about $5,000. And you know, this car is an XL, so it's actually supposed to have these hubcaps on it.
Oh yeah.
So, and those obviously cover almost the entire wheel.
Mac Daddy caps.
So, I'm probably not good for it.
Big car. Running. traction bars off with a little issue because of rust. So we have new ones on the way, so we'll deal with that later. Got the U-bolts loose, which was no picnic because of rust. Well, it was a picnic because the impact. So we got that going. We'll knock this out of here, swap it out. Upon us disassembling the rear suspension of everything rusted on everywhere, we had a little issue. And that was, oops, sorry. Where the spring here goes into the frame, the spring pocket. The bolt, well, the shackle's sheared too, but where's that bolt? I think Wick has it, hold on. So these bolts, they're real long, got a real thick shank on them, and then they're tapered down to a 1/2 inch. And of course, it went really well until it got down to the end that's been exposed to nature for 56 years. And that went boing.